Good morning, students. Now, today we are going to discuss the topic combinations of resistors. Combination of resistors. There are two different ways through which the resistors can be combined. First is series combination, and second is parallel combination. Parallel combination. So there are two different ways through which resistors can be combined. First one is series combination of resistors. Second is parallel combination of resistors. So first we have to discuss about series combination of resistors. Here we take three resistors of resistances R1, R2 and R3 and connected in series. These three resistors are connected in series such that the second end of the first resistor is connected to the first end of the second resistor, and the second end of the second resistor which is connected to the first end of the third resistor. And these three resistors are connected with a battery of V volt and E. The potential difference of this battery is V volt. Suppose I current flows through the circuit. Now let potential difference across R1 is given. Potential difference across R2 is V2 and potential difference across R3 resistance is V3. So here consider three resistors of resistances R1, R2 and R3 are combined in series, and these three resistors are connected with a battery of V volts and switch. Now when it is said to be series combination of resistors, so when current flowing through each resistor is same, then it is said to be combination of resistors are connected in series. In another way, if current flowing through each part of this circuit is same, then the combination of resistors are said to be series combination. In series combination, current flowing through each resistor will be same, but potential difference across each resistor will be different. In series combination, the potential difference is directly proportional to the resistance of the resistor. So here total potential difference V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Suppose this is equation 1. According to Ohm's law, according to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR here. So V1 is equal to I, current is constant. So potential difference across R1 is V1 is equal to I R1. Similarly, V2 is equal to I R2 and V3 is equal to I R3. Now this value of V1, V2 and V3 we have to substitute in the equation 1. Then V is equal to I R1 plus I R2 plus I R3. I is common, so here R1 plus R2 plus R3. Now suppose it is equation number 2. If R is be the equivalent resistance of the series combination, then V is equal to IRS. Now putting this value in equation 2, equation 2 becomes IRS is equal to I under bracket R1 plus R2 plus R3. I cancel. So here RS is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So this is the expression for series combination of three resistors R1, R2 and R3. What you conclude from this equation? The equivalent resistance of series combination is equal to the sum of individual resistances. Second thing, the value of equivalent resistance in series combination is always greater than the individual value of resistance, that is R1, R2 and R3. And next is, in series combination of resistors, the current flowing through each resistor will be same. Thank you.